So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be teaching you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube using ORTEGA method. So ORTEGA is an advanced method, so you will get times under 7 seconds using ORTEGA method, or even like 3 seconds under ORTEGA method. So without any further ado, let's begin. So as you can see, this is a scrambled cube, and for ORTEGA method we have to the first step is we have to make a face. So by a face I mean a side which has only one color. I'm not saying about the whole layer, but only a face. So that's the advantage of ORTEGA, and I highly recommend that you should be color neutral if you are solving ORTEGA, because then only you will get good times. So make sure you're color neutral. And yeah, so but I will be demonstrating on white. So let's start. So I don't have to look at the pieces, I just wanna see the color that I am making. So I'm currently doing white, so I will see the white stickers in the inspection. So as you can see, they are here, here, here and here. So I will just put them in a face. So I will just make this piece as my main piece, so all the whites will go in the bottom layer. So for the bottom layer, what I can do, I can just move this piece here, that will go here, and now I can move this piece here like so, and then move that piece there by rotating. So this is not the one of the best efficient solves, but I'm just demonstrating that what you have to do. So again, if you want to see like a full example solve of this, then I will link a video right here on the card, then you can just watch that video if you wish. So after making the first face, then you have to make the other face. So the other face will be up to the opposite of the face that you have made. So if I have made this face right here, then I have to make the another face right here. So it's basically making a face on the bottom, making the face on the top, and then doing one alg to solve the rest. So so make sure that if you have made your first face with white, then the top face will be of yellow. So white goes opposite to yellow, green goes opposite to blue, orange goes opposite to red. So make sure, and that's also for the reverse things. So yeah, and now we will make the top face. So in the top face you can get like 6 or 7 different cases, so I will be demonstrating all of them, so don't worry. So yeah, so you have to make the top face. So let's see what are the algs to make the top face. The first case is of the soon case. So that's basically that one sticker is facing up and the other sticker is facing the front. So make sure that if only one sticker is facing up, then you make sure that you put that piece on your left, so left front side. So as you can see, this is my front side, these two are my front side, and this is my back side. So I will put that in my front side and do the following alg. And your top face will be made. So the another case is of the soon case. So this time you will not put this in your front, you will put this in your right side. So you will just do the mirrored alg of the previous alg, which is as follows. And your top face will be made. For the third case, you can get this following case. So in this is a very easy case. So here you have a headlight on the left and you have a bar on the top. So you will put this headlight onto your left side. Make sure this headlight is on your left, and now you will do the following alg, which is so simple. And your top face will be made. For your fourth case, you can get this type of case where you have again a headlight on the left side, but you have these two pieces facing opposite to each other. So you will again put the headlight on your left and do this alg, which is just the doubling of the previous alg. So this is alg is as follows. and your top face will be made. For the fifth case, you can get a case where you have a bar on the top, but you have like opposite facing pieces. So here you will hold the cube like this and do this following alg, which is very simple. And your top face will be made. So for your sixth case, you'll have you have two pieces facing up diagonally and two pieces in such a position, so like they are facing one side like this and none here. So here what you can do, you will like put the diagonal pieces on your left front and right back, and one piece should the one yellow sticker should face you in the front, not in the top, in the front. So make sure your cube is like this and do this alg. This alg is a bit complicated, but it's not that hard. And your top face will be made. For the seventh and last OLL case, or whatever you can call it, you will get two headlights like this, two headlights facing away from each other. So you will put a headlight in your front and a headlight in your back and do this alg, which is very fun alg. I love to do this alg, which is R2. And your top face will be made. So you have completed the OLL or whatever, and now we'll make this thing solve in one algorithm. So we have reached the last thing, and here you can get three cases. So we'll just solve the entire thing in one algorithm. So the first case is when you get a bar on your bottom layer like this one and a bar on your top layer like this one. So these can be anywhere scattered. So you need to make sure that you put all your bars one below the one above and below each other. So in this case, we'll do the following alg. And your entire cube will be solved. So for the second case, which is the second most common, the first one was most common, this one is second most common. Here you will see you have got only one bar in a layer and no bars in other layer. So this can be like opposite also, like I have got a bar in my down layer this time, but it could also happen that I would have got a bar in my bottom layer, not in the top layer. So what you'll do, whichever case is this, you will just put your bar in your front top. Make sure it is on the front but on the top layer. So you will do the following alg. And the entire cube will be solved. The last and the most interesting case of all is the rarest, but it is fun. So in this case, none of the bars are made either on the bottom or on the top layer. So this could be like this, or like this. Doesn't matter, but there is no bar. So what we will do, the algorithm is very simple. So the algorithm is just this and this, and the entire thing will be solved. Okay, that's all for this video, and make sure you hit a like and subscribe and click the bell icon so you will be notified whenever my future video uploads. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment anything you wanna ask, and yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So stay safe, and yeah, bye.